When can I go on holiday after surgery? I mean, it doesn't say which type of surgery.
Okay,
When can I go on holiday after surgery?
All right, so if we're removing a mole, then you can drive to the airport and leave.
Straight away.
Straight away. If we are doing a breast augmentation or a breast reduction or a tummy tuck or liposuction, actually I'm going to remove liposuction from that. But if you're doing a breast reduction, tummy tuck, arm lift, thigh lift, whatever, most of the aesthetic things I talk about, then I would say usually a month. General anaesthetic, major operation, usually a month. You could go much sooner. You actually could, in terms of the guidance, the official guidance, about a week is fine. But I like you to be within reach of healthcare, easily accessible for at least the first month. And that's because if you were to run into trouble, I want to be on hand to deal with it. And if you're in another country, then I'm kind of on the end of the phone, but I'm not really able to help you much. So about a month tends to be what I say. It kind of somewhat depends as well. So, for example, some people say, oh, I'm flying to Scotland in 2 weeks. I say, okay, flying to Scotland. I mean, it's not the middle of nowhere. It's Scotland, right?
Yeah.
They have healthcare there too. And it's, so you could deal with minor issues. You could go to the chemist and buy some dressings if you need some dressings. I could get a prescription to a pharmacy that's local to you if I needed to. So that's probably okay. So we sort of use common sense on this as well. But if you're going to just say, I'm going to the Maldives, when can I head off? Minimum a month. Then there's the issue of whether actually you're going to have a fun holiday, depending on what you've had, if it was as little as a month. And if you've had a tummy tuck, I'd probably suggest, leave that once in a lifetime trip to the Maldives for a few months later, because you'll really enjoy it so much more much later on. You'll still be in garments for some operations. So there you go. It depends.